Good morning, Nair. My name is Gunan Bisono. I'm from Business Management class for Management 4. I will mark the semester exam video assessment about independent campus, a hope and a challenge. My hope is that we can protect and improve the environment and can invite others to do so that they are aware of the benefits of protecting the environment. If you cannot improve, at least do not damage the beauty of the environment that already exists. Because if the environment has been damaged, many people will feel the negative effect. Let's protect our beloved air together, so that later our descendants can feel the benefits if they keep the environment clean and they can follow the tradition of protecting the environment. All universities in Indonesia are preparing various strategies efforts in responding to the policy direction of the Minister of Education of Culture Nadiem Makarim regarding an independent campus. The program will be realized in 4 policies, namely EAC of campus accreditation, granting study rights to students outside of the 3-semester study program, campus autonomy to open a study program, and change the status of a legal entity college. Higher education institutions are obliged to give students the right to voluntarily take up or not 2-semester credit units SKS outside their campus. Students can also take SKS in other study program on campus as much as 1 semester from the total semester that must be taken. The idea of an independent campus will certainly provide the wider space to further develop the foundation of human resources in anticipating global competition. This implementation is certainly not an easy thing for universities, and the very least, tertiary institutions must synergize with various components such as trustees, academic senates, professors, councils, universities work units, faculties, departments, and study programs. Each of which has different roles and functions. Setiawan 2020. Surely this is a real challenge for universities in realizing an independent campus program. Saying the essence of an independent campus policy is the expansion of autonomy, independence, accelerated bureaucracy, and increased innovation in higher education. So, of course, innovation, creative breakthrough, and strengthening of the field of science become a very valuable capital. In implementing an independent campus, the Minister of Education and Culture policies are also an answer. The words education is no longer preoccupied with administrative issues which have been polemic and feel colonized mere campus. This implementation is certainly not an easy thing for universities. At the very least, tertiary institution must synergize with various components, such as trained academic, scientists, professors, councils, university, work units, faculties, departments, and study programs as work with has different roles and functions. For universities in realizing an independent campus program, saying the essence of an independent campus policy is the expansion of autonomy, independence, accelerated bureaucracy, and increased innovation in higher education through of course innovation, creative backgrounds, and strengthening of the field of science become a very valuable capital in implementing an independent campus. However, there are other challenges to this policy. On the one hand, it must get a quick response to be executed immediately, but on the other hand, three must be prior. Adjustment to the curriculum, implementation, schedule, and system development. Of course, in the terms of this adjustment, it takes time to arrive at full implementation. In the end, every tertiary institution must have a careful, precise, and fast strategy in its actualization efforts. Free campus, free of politics. Nevertheless, the concept of an independent campus raises a polemic in the world of education. The reason is the operational limitation of independence in tertiary institutions are still considered to be unclear. One of the problems with the lack of clarity is related to interactions between campus and politics. The world of the global job market will always change, but not ethically. This is the essence that is needed and should not be abandoned. Hopefully, the independent campus can be the right solution for the education problems that have been happening all this time. Thus is a video about the independent campus of a hope and challenge. If three are shortcomings and wrong words said, please forgive because I'm still learning. Thank you. God bless. Ner.